Recording in progress.
Hi, good morning. All of you, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes. Now we'll start our session.
Good morning, sir.
So in last session, we completed about the Python set concept. So today we are going to discussing about the Python dictionary topic. Python dictionary. This is also one of the data type concept in the Python. It's a very, very important one. So set related questions I uploaded in the portal. And again, today also some more, one more file I will upload set related. So here also 30 question and answers you're going to get. Okay, examples related. See here, write a program to remove the given number from the set. We have a set object. In that one value we are giving, that value is available, we want to delete it. Okay, and write a program to add the multiple values to a set. Multiple values means update method. Single value means add method. We can use. Write a program to find the union between the two sets. So two sets related all values merging. Using union, we can do it, okay, or else using OR operator, we can do it. Write a program to find the common values between the two sets. Common values nothing but intersection. Okay, using intersection method, or else AND operator, we can use here AND operator. Okay, so everybody knows AND operator like this. Now here like question and answers, 30 questions are given, guys, here, just for our practice purpose. Check it, these all things, you will get it knowledge. Okay, so today I'll upload this one. And out of these 30 questions, any doubts anyone having? So in the next session, let me know, I will clarify it. Okay, all I executed, I tested, and I copied these all things here, just for our practice purpose. Okay, yes. Now we will discuss today new topic called Python dictionary topic. Python dictionary. So what is dictionary? Okay, and dictionary contains what and how we are writing dictionary object, like we need to understanding. So dictionary is one of the data type concept in Python. Dictionary contains collection of key value pairs. Dictionary contains collection of key value pairs. Key value collection of key value pairs. Dictionary contains the collection of key value pairs which are enclosed between curly braces. Okay, so dictionary contains the collection of key value pairs which are enclosed between the curly braces. Key and values are separated with column separation. Key and values are separated with column. Key value pairs are separated with comma. Okay, so key and values are separated with column symbol. Column symbol, and key value pairs separated with comma symbol. This point remember. For example, here, so I want to create one employee object. Employee emp equal to employee object. So within the curly brace, with the key column value format, employee number is 10, employee name, e-name. So Ravi, e-name is Ravi, and salary, so 60,000. Okay, and then we can close it. See here, this one. So within the curly brace syntax, key column value, key column, see here, column separation is there. Key column value, again, one more key column value. So separating with this one, column symbol, okay? So like this is also one more key value pair separated with the column. And this both we are calling key value pairs. Key value pairs, key value pairs are separated with what? Comma. Key value pairs are separated with comma symbol. Last key value pair, if comma not available also no problem. Okay, why means that is the last one. If any another one is there, comma separation must be required. All of you understanding? So key with value format we are writing in between the curly brace syntax. Key and values are separated with the column symbol. Key and value pairs are separated with the comma symbol. By using the keys, we can access the values here. By using the keys, for example, in this employee object, we have a key called the employee number. So using this employee number key, we can access this 10 value. Using this employee name, e-name key, we can access this Ravi value. Okay. So from the dictionary object, by using the keys, we can access the values. If it is a list, for example, LST list equal to, so like there is a lot of values there. So we can write like that. So here each value having indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, like the indexing is there. By using the indexing, by using list of 0, so we are getting what? This index related value. So using the indexing, we are getting the values. But in the dictionary, using the keys, we are getting the values. This is the value. By using the keys, we can get the values. So in the list or tuple or string indexing, okay, using the indexing, we are accessing. So for the index purpose, here numbers we are using. In dictionaries, keys are acting like indexing. In dictionary object, keys are acting like indexing. So here index not there, 0, 1, 2, like this. Indexes are not supporting here. Dictionary keys only are acting like a indexing points. By using the dictionary keys, we can access the values. All of you understand this one? And next, dictionary keys are not duplicates. Dictionary keys are not duplicates. Dictionary keys are not duplicates. Means simply as a dictionary key duplicates, even though we are writing, but in the memory allocation not storing. So dictionary not accepting the duplicate keys. So while creating, we can use keys, but in the memory allocation, so latest value only updating. Okay, latest value only updating. For example, here, some values, some another object is there. So one obj called one object. So here 1 column 10, 2 column 20, 3 column 30, again 1 column 40, like that. Okay. So this is a dictionary object. Key value, again key value, again key value, again key value. So at the time of giving input, this one is accepting, but when our storing in the memory allocation, so only this key is duplicate is there. So only one time only maintaining this value here updating. So it looks like a 1 column 40. So this latest key value storing in the memory allocation like looks like that. But actually this one old one only there, and this value here updating. Okay. In this situation, so when memory is creating here, this memory is representing with obj, referencing by obj. And now here, so 1 column 10, next 2 column 20, next 3 column 30, and next 1 column 40. Key 1 is there already. So that's why not going to create one more time. So this value here updating. value we are updating. So finally, we are getting 1 column 40, 2 column 20, 3 column 30. Do you understand this one? So that's why we can say dictionary is not allowing the duplicate keys. Even though we are writing like that, only latest key and value, latest value is updating in the existing key place. So open the Python ideally. Open this and reduce the size. You can see here. See, I'm clicking this OBJ, you can print. See here. So this value is updating here. That's why 1 column 40, 2 column 20, 3 column 30 like displaying. Okay. And here len function we can use len of OBJ, counting the keys 1, 2, 3 there. So 3 values there like returns. 3 values there. Okay. So OBJ of induction means of we are writing. OBJ of key we are using. OBJ of key means object of key. So key 1 is available, it's value returning. It's value returning. If it is a list, so list of 0 we are like indexing we are using list of 0, 0 based value we are getting. Okay. So now here object of 2, then 20 we are getting. Next object of 5. Object of 5 means in this object a key with 5 not available. If key is not available, given key if not available, then key error throws. Okay, these all are considering like a keys. So if key is available in this object, it's value returning. If key is not available in this object, then key error returns. Key error returns. Are we clear this one? Okay, now here already here one employee object is there. So this is a employee object. So whenever printing, like we are getting. See here, these things we are calling strings in Python. We are calling like a string. Python strings in between the double quotations we can write, or in between the single quotations we can write. So no problem. Single quotations are displayed here. Okay. Now in this object here, numbers there. So numbers normally number format only created. If it is any string, then string format we are writing. Okay. So meaningfully you can write it carefully. And now here emp of e number. This is a string. So that's why e number string format we are giving. Okay. So this key as it is I used. Or else double quotations also you can use, no problem. Double quotations also. Employee of e number 10 we are getting. emp dot e number we are not getting. Okay, dot not working. So dot we are using for objects. Okay, so that is the later you will understanding. This is the dictionary object. For the dictionary object, dictionary of key like we can use, we will get it. Okay, so dictionary key e name is there. So its value Ravi we are getting. And the next salary is there. Now salary we are getting. And what is the output here we are getting? The capital S I'm using here. Capital S. Then we are getting key error. I mean Python is a case sensitive. Python is a case sensitive. So lower letters, upper letters are different. Understanding everyone? So far. Now this is our employee object. So emp of key. Using this, we are accessing using the key we are accessing key related value. So this is called accessing the keys. Accessing the keys. Okay, I mean accessing the values using the keys. Using keys accessing values. How to access in the keys? How to access in the values using the dictionary keys? So like we are writing. Okay, and the next you can see here. So if this key is already available in that place, So value is going to be updating. This E number key, if available in this employee object, okay, here available, then this value is going to be updating here. This value is going to be updating here. Okay. So now you can see here EMP. So value 15 is updating. Value 15 is updating. So this is called what? Updating syntax. Now here using keys updating values. Using the keys updating the values related syntax is this one. Okay. Allow me to clear this one syntax. Now next I want to be creator. I want to be creator. So here EMP of so number, name, salary, city I'm going to use city equal to for example Mumbai like I'm using. Okay. See here in this employee object if city key is available, then in that place this value is replacing. Okay. So here previously E number with 10 available. So E number with 15 updating here. But right now here the employee city in the employee object city with something value is not available. So that's why this is like a key. It's like a key. It's like a value. City is like a key. Mumbai is like a value format. Creating if not available. Now in this EMP, see here, new key value pair is adding. New key value pair is added now. Are you clear this one? So now here, so using keys creating values. Okay. So simply creating the key values. Using key, we are creating value. Using key, creating value. This key and this value. Simply creating key values in the dictionary. Here, updating the value in the dictionary using keys. Here, using the keys, accessing the values. Okay. And the next deleting related. Now we have a EMP called in the EMP object. We have these all key value pairs. So EMP of employee salary. So this is we are accessing. It means key available. If available before that del keyword we can use and we can delete. Dictionary object is a mutable object. Dictionary objects is a mutable object. It means once creating with some key value pairs in the memory allocation, then in the future within the same memory we can do changes. It means we can add the key values, we can remove the key values, we can update the key values. Okay, I mean we can update the values. Keys we cannot update it. Just the values we can update it. Understanding? So that's why I'm deleting here. So next in this EMP, we are having these things. Okay. So right now, if you want, you can check it. ID of EMP. Then this is the value. Next EMP of E number. EMP of E number equal to 20. So now EMP updating here. After updating ID, you can check it. Same ID is there or not? That is, you need to check it. If memory is changing means new object is creating. If memory is not changing means within the same memory updating the values. But it so dictionary is mutable objects. We can do the changes. So new key values we can add, existing key values we can delete, or else existing values we can update. But existing keys we cannot update it. Keys we cannot update. Enum, ENO is there here. I want a E number, NUMBR, full name. That is not possible here. Okay. So keys cannot be updated. Remember that. Now, dictionary typecasting function related, we have a dict, DICT, dict is there. So here, D equal to DICT, dict. We can write, this is called the dictionary. Empty dictionary, type of D, you can see, empty dictionary we are getting. So dictionary data type using dict we are representing, not dictionary. Simply using dict, DICT, dict we are representing. And the dictionary typecasting function is the DICT with parentheses there. Okay. Empty dictionary using the dict casting function, or else using the empty curly brace, we can use empty curly brace, we can use dict only. Understand this one? Okay. Now you need to remember main point here. So dictionary contains key values here, key column value like this. Dictionary contains key values. So as a value here, as a value, previously if it is a set, okay, set object related. Inside the set, only immutables only allowed. Only immutable types only allowed. That is, we discussed clearly with examples wise. Now, in this dictionary, instead of in the value place, what types of data allowed, what types are not allowed. That is, we need to get knowledge. Okay. So check it. Right now, this is what type? Number type. Number integer type. Integer type allowed. Next, floating values. Float values allowed. You can check it like this. What are allowed, what are not allowed, getting understanding. Okay. Boolean values allowed. And simply all numbers allowed. All numbers allowed. And Python, it means string also allowed here. All numbers allowed, strings allowed. After that, tuple I want to be checked it. Tuple 1, 2. Okay, this is the tuple. So key is 1, value is tuple object. Okay, yes, tuple also allowed. So finally, what you are understanding here? All immutables allowed right now. All immutables, numbers, strings, and tuples all are allowed as a value of the dictionary. As a value of the dictionary. Next, mutable things, you can check it. Mutable things. So list of square bracket I'm using. Yes, list is also allowed. Next, curly brace. Curly brace. So this is we are calling set object. So set object also allows. And next, so here, this is the dictionary. So this is a key and it is like a value. It is like a value. Again, in this value, key value format is there, dictionary. Okay. So, okay, now this is also allowed. So finally, what you are understanding here, as a value of the dictionary, all immutables and mutables allowed. As a values of dictionary object. As a values of dictionary object, all immutable and mutable types allowed. As a values of dictionary object, all immutable and mutable types are allowed. Now comes to the keys. So here key related, now we will check it. So key with 10. So one is a integer value. Now here 1.5, it is a float value, no problem. And now here something Boolean values, okay, allowed. And now here string values, okay, allowed. And now here 1, 2, this is a tuple. So tuple also allowed. Okay. Finally, what you are understanding? All immutable types are allowed. Right now, all immutable types are allowed. Okay. And the mutable things related, we will check it. As a keys of the dictionary, all mutable types are not allowed. All mutable types are not allowed. Unhashable type list like throwing. All mutable types list not allowed as a keys of the dictionary. set also not allowed as a keys of the dictionary. Dictionary also not allowed as a keys of the dictionary. Okay, so here in the dictionary object, a key, as a key, dictionary object also not allowed. This is the dictionary object. Okay, so these all are mutables. Mutables. So simply as a keys, as a keys of dictionary, as a keys of dictionary object, all mutable objects not allowed 100%. 100%. As a keys of dictionary object, all mutable objects not allowed 100%. Okay, this is one point. Now, immutables allowed or not, that is, we need to be checked. As a keys, as a keys of dictionary, as a keys of dictionary object, okay, all numbers, strings allowed 100%, but not tuples allowed 100%, but not tuple allowed. Okay, but not tuple allowed. Tuple sometimes allowed, sometimes not allowed. 100% not allowed. Okay, so sometimes allowed, sometimes not allowed. That point we need to get knowledge. As a keys of dictionary object, all the numbers, strings, and tuples generally allowed, but tuples sometimes not allowed, sometimes allowed. Okay, this point of view we will write right now. All as a keys of dictionary object, all immutable. As a keys of dictionary object, all immutable objects allowed. All immutable objects are allowed 100%. Okay, this point remember guys first. As a keys of dictionary object, all mutable objects not allowed, and as a keys of dictionary object, all immutable objects are allowed. Okay, this is a clarification. Right now we tested. Now again, when coming to here, so all numbers and the strings, all numbers and the strings are allowed 100% as a case of dictionary object. So all numbers and strings are allowed 100% as a case of dictionary object, but not tuples. Okay, but not tuples. But not tuples. So all of you clear this note point? All of you. So only numbers and strings. I said here above point, all immutables allowed 100%. So here numbers and strings 100% allowed. The dictionaries sometimes allowed, sometimes not allowed. When allowed, when not allowed, that is you need to understanding. That is you need to understanding. So right now here, all mutables not allowed we tested. Immutables allowed here. This is a immutable tuple. Tuple allowed here. But tuple sometimes not allowed. One, that is you can see here. So this is a tuple object. This is allowed, no problem. But inside the tuple, we can use all mutable and immutable. Inside the tuple, we can use all mutable and immutable generally. So right now here only immutable types there, then allowed. If any mutable type is there, so in the tuple, okay, mutable type I'm using. So then not allowed. See, this is a tuple. Tuple allowed, but inside the tuple, mutable is there indirectly. So that's why this is not allowed as a key of the dictionary. Are you clear this one? So now here, generally tuple object allowed all immutable types and immutable types and mutable types. Generally, all tuple objects allowed allowed both immutable types and mutable types. Okay. Whenever we are using a tuple object as a key of dictionary, if tuple contains only immutable type, then allowed. Otherwise, not allowed. Okay. So whenever we are using a tuple object as a piece of dictionary object. Whenever we are using a tuple object as a piece of dictionary object, then if tuple object contains only immutable types, then allowed. Okay. If a tuple object contains only immutable types, then allowed. Otherwise, not allowed. Otherwise, not allowed. All of you clear this point? So these all points are important when we are working with the dictionary concept. Rules, these all are rules while creating the dictionary object. So blindly you can remember as a value of the dictionary, all immutables and mutable types allowed. As a keys of the dictionary, all mutable types not allowed. The point remember first blindly. Next, all mutable types not allowed, only immutable types allowed, I said, as a keys of dictionary. Again, more depth wise, we are checking. So in immutable numbers of strings, tuples, so three types there. All numbers, all strings 100% allowed, but tuples sometimes allowed, sometimes not allowed. 50-50 chances there. When allowed, when not allowed, that is you need to understanding. So generally, tuple contains all mutables and immutable types in the tuple object syntax. Okay. If a tuple object contains only immutable types like numbers to strings to tuples inside the tuple, okay, then allowed. Either directly or indirectly any mutable types there in the tuple object, then not allowed. So that is the point here. So here you can see directly, indirectly means here again this tuple contains 20, 30. Okay, and here the 1, 2 there. Now you can see here. So as a key, tuple is there allowed. Inside the tuple, again immutable types. This is immutable, this is immutable, this is immutable, allowed, no problem. Now again, when coming to here, again immutable there, and here the mutable is there. So this is not allowed. Either directly or indirectly, anywhere, if any mutable object is there as a key of the dictionary, then that is not allowed. Okay, so these rules remember. Values can be duplicated. If you want, you can write. So values can be duplicated. Dictionary values can be duplicated, but keys cannot be duplicated. Cannot be duplicated. Simply, but keys unique keys. Okay. So dictionary values can be duplicated, but keys not duplicate. The keys, dictionary keys are unique keys. Dictionary keys are unique keys. By using the keys, we can access the values. All of you understanding this one? So data type, dictionary data type, we are representing with the dict, and the typecasting function. Typecasting function is dict function, and empty dictionary objects we are creating using dict casting and curly brace syntax. And the dictionary is a mutable. Dictionary is a mutable. Generally dictionary concept is mutable. So dictionary keys are immutable. This point remember, guys. So don't get confusing. So this is the dictionary object. In this object, we can do the changes. Existing key value we can delete. new key value we can add, and values we can do update. So this is a mutable object. Again, when coming to the key value format, this is the key and value. Values, we can do the update, no problem, because of it is a mutable type. And the keys we cannot do update. Keys we cannot do update because dictionary keys are immutable. Immutable means cannot do changes. Okay, so this point remember. Dictionary keys are immutable types. Dictionary keys are immutable types. That's why we cannot update. Okay, dictionary keys are immutable types, and dictionary values are mutable types. That's why we can do the update. Come on in the chat box, give reply. So far, everyone clear? So far, these all points. Then I will discuss about the dictionary methods. Be ready in the chat box whenever I'm asking, I'm expecting you're following or not. I need to understanding. Okay, good. So these all points, whatever I'm explaining here so far, so these all points available in the material. So today I will upload it, check it. So if anyone asking about the dictionary, what are the points you are remembering? So without giving break, continuation, you need to explain. And then interview person will satisfying something and asking another question. Okay. Yes. Now comes to the dictionary methods. See here, previously to do the CRUD operations, so here, these all variations are used. Deleting purpose, here, deleting purpose, we used a del keyword, I used. Using keys, deleting, using keys, deleting simply. So this is the CRUD operation related, accessing, updating, creating, deleting related. These all things are related ready-made methods we have. Ready-made methods we have, using the methods we can do it. Ready-made methods we have, so we can do it. So you can see here EMP. In this EMP key values there, EMP of is asking employee is. If that key is not available, then it returns error. If key is available, then okay, return value. So it means if key is not available, exception coming, abnormally terminating our program. After this line, if any other lines, they're not going to be executing. But in these situations, we can use some methods, dictionary methods. EMP dot get off key there, get off key taking, and by default non-value taking. It return the value for key if the key is in the dictionary. Otherwise, the default value returned. Now here, E number like I'm writing. See, E number key is available, then it's value returning. It's value returning. So for example, E number. So I'm using like this E number. E number related key is not available here. So if we are writing like this, E number, then throwing error. But here they're not throwing error. Okay. Otherwise, age only you can see here, no problem. So here age, EMP of age returns key error. But now here, get method if I'm using, not throwing any error. Not throwing any error. If available that key, its value returned. If not available, sitting silent. It means none value returned by default. By default here, internally none value is there. So if you want any variable, you can assign and print x. Say none value is there. None value is there. And now here, E number. E number. Now E number is there, its value getting and storing here. And if I'm printing X, now see 20 value everything. So I'll clear this one, both you can check it. So in this employee object, if the given key is available, its value getting and assigned to here. and that is we are printing 20. If this given key is not available in this employee, this none value is assigning to here. None value. That is the default value. Clear? So, yes, all of you getting my voice clearly? All of you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you. Gopi Chan, please check it your side. Maybe your side problem is there.
Yes, sir. We can able to hear you.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yes,
yes, sir. I have one doubt, sir.
Okay, now check it here. Now check it. So using get method, if the key is available, it's value accessing and returning. Otherwise, the default value none returning. If you want any meaningful message, some other value. So for example here, so key not available. This is I'm going to return. Okay. So if key is available, printing. If the key is not available, for example, is. So then here key not available like displaying. Okay, this is about the get method. Okay, now we can create one more object here. 1 column 10, 2 column 20, 3 column 30, 4 column 40 like that. So we have values method dictionary